Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with a swap from Swapping Across America. My partner was Wanda, which is a day in my world on YouTube. And I'll have their YouTube channel linked in the description box below. She got it nicely wrapped. I like her little tags. It's like, from Wanda, you have received a tag swap, and you can circle. It says tag swap, wish, rank, or prize. She got swapping, group Swapping Across America. Tina Massey, that's me, and who's got this little cute animal. Please post once received and enjoy. That's cute. I don't know where she got them, but that's cute. And get this twine, which of course I will keep. I don't get rid of nothing. I'll wind it around a piece of little cardboard, and I'll stick it in with the rest. And the tissue paper, of course, I keep all my tissue paper. Let's see. So the swap that included had to be an ATC card and a 3 pocket letter, a mini pocket, I guess they call them, and a Christmas gift. Ooh, look at her card. It says Merry Christmas on the chairlift. She got this bling, mountains, a little hat, little skis, little face mask. That's cute. I don't know if this is a card. Oh, it's just a little decorative piece, or use it for like a memory dex card. Or an anything. Doesn't open. I thought maybe it was card. But that's cute. And then, here's her pocket letter. Santa. She's got a reindeer and some bling. Hit the slope. I was going to say hit the shops. It's hit the slopes. She's got a Christmas bell. Winter Wonderland. The skater. She's got bling and a heart. That is so cute. Cute. I'll have to put your name on it. And she sent me some goodies. So let's see. Oh, these are cute. The little banners. Not banners. Oh, I lost my thought. But they're red and gold and blue and gold. Them are cool. I've never seen them. And we have some birthday girl with happy birthday balloons. Hey, I could use that on. I might steal one of these and put that on Allie's card, because she's the birthday girl. And then we got the movie one. I didn't buy this one. No, I got it. Showtime, a guitar. I don't know why. Oh, I like the diva. It's cool. Oh, I didn't see this one. The theme was Christmas in July, so if you're wondering. Oh, this is one I've never seen. I love the camera. Cool. Ooh, trucks. Warms to my heart. It's the red truck. This is so cute. Then that. So cool. I'll show you her pocket. Her ATC, I guess. She didn't put her information on it. So I'll have to do that. I'm going to add all her information on the back of this and stick it in my little thing. So that's that. And then a pocket letter. I love doing pocket letters. They're so creative. Just a little piece of art. Ladies, just remember, put your name on your stuff. I know, I have a tendency to forget that as well. And then her goodies. Thank you so much, Wanda. Love it. So I'm going to put your information. I'll type it out and print it. Except I don't know your birthday, so if you can leave your birthday in the description box for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. So then I know when it's your birthday and I can add you to my birthday month. And there we go. I want to thank you guys for watching. This was Swap on a Facebook group, Swapping Across America. If I remember, I will link it in the description boxes below. And I put swaps in there to do, as well as Bima does. And we just pick partners and we swap. Like I said, this one was a three page pocket letter and an ATC. She did it like an index card size, which didn't matter. Doesn't matter. And so you didn't have to include pocket letter goodies, but this time around it was $2 worth of $2 little gift because of Christmas in July. Well, she sent me a little bit more than that, so I appreciate it. You should be getting yours today, so I'm excited to see what you think of yours. And I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Have a good day.